Do you freeze when the barista asks, "What can I get you?" Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn how to order coffee in English clearly and confidently. First, just listen. Later, you will speak with me. Let's start. Imagine this situation. You walk into a coffee shop. The barista smiles and asks a question. You understand English, but you don't know what to say. Today, we will practice together. First, listen carefully.
What can I get you?
Can I have a medium coffee, please?
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, please. Milk and 1 sugar.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. That will be $5.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer out loud. What can I get you? Can I have a medium coffee, please? Would you like milk or sugar? Milk and 1 sugar, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Very good. Keep going. You can change 1 word, and the sentence is still correct. Can I have a small coffee, please? Can I have a large coffee, please? Milk, please. No milk, please. Let's understand the most important phrases. What can I get you? This means, what do you want to order? Can I have? This is polite and natural. Native speakers say this all the time. Anything else? This means, do you want more? That's all. This means, I'm finished. Now let's practice something new. I will ask you a question. You answer out loud. There is no perfect answer. Just speak. What can I get you? Can I have a medium coffee, please? Would you like milk or sugar? Milk and 1 sugar, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Very good. You are answering in English. This is real practice.
Hi, what can I get you?
Hi, can I have a medium coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, milk and 1 sugar.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. That will be $5.
Now, answer this question out loud. What can I get you? Example answer. Can I have a small coffee, please? Perfect. You just ordered coffee in English. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need practice. Subscribe to Mr. Easy English, and let's speak English together.